Hello, welcome back to another session of Richard Katzman fly tying, and I have a bass hook in the vise, and we're going to be using some brown 6/0 thread, and this is Denville. And the first thing we're going to do is start to dress the shank. Okay, and let's see if we can separate this thread. This thread is awfully small, and we're going to go ahead and slip that up between the two pieces of thread, and we're starting to close the thread back up, and this is going to be, we're turning this clockwise, and you can see the fiber starting to spin. Okay, and we're going to start to example why I hate 6/0 thread. It's very flimsy and it breaks way too easy.
I get too
stiff a grip for 6/0 thread. See that I'm trying to put in a couple of half-inch knots with large fingers and small thread, but we got it done. Okay, and I'm just going to take my black thread, go ahead and tie that in. I switched over to 6 thread, which makes a big difference. Cut that off. Okay. I'm taking a longer feather, same color, and I'm just going to tie that in on my way back up to the eye of the hook. And we'll cut that off. Trim the bottom up a little bit. Okay. I'm adding a pheasant feather, one to each side. And we'll put one in there, snip off some at the bottom here. Okay. And we'll tie that in here. And now I'm going to take this feather from the pheasant, and it looks like this. And we're going to take that by the stem, the top of the feather, and okay. And we'll put in a half hitch knot. Okay, I'll put in a half hitch knot here. And pull that to the side. Okay. And we're going to just go ahead and push those off. Okay. And we'll take our black thread and just go ahead and turn that over and cut that off at the base. Okay, and we're going to put in a double half-hitch knot. Now I'm going to take my whip finish tool and we're going to go ahead and put in some wraps here. And I'm going to squeeze out a little super glue on your side. A little bit there, turn it over. And I'll put a little bit right there. Okay. Turn that over and we'll take the hardener activator. Okay, and turn that over. Put a little bit there. And now I'm going to take some more super glue. And I'm just going to finish off the head. Bottom, and take some more activator and put that there, and we'll do the same thing on the top, and dab on top, and I will give it a drop of activator, and put the pin down inside the eye of the hook, and that looks pretty good. And now I'll take some hardest hull head cement and I'm going to put a little bit on my side on the eye, and then we'll put a little bit on your side of the eye. Pull out the plastic tube that was covering the point. Take that out. And there it is. She's a dandy little fly, and she's gonna be in the water real good. She's gonna move. Very, very well. It's gonna be a nice wet fly. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please click on my picture down at the right hand corner of the screen and then click on the bell, which will notify you every time a new upload is uploaded to YouTube. And if you're inclined, please click the like button, the thumbs up button. I would appreciate that. And this fly we're going to call the Collegian. It's a nice little fly. And I think it's going to do real well for me. Until the next time, have a great day and tight lines.